Yes, inverse proportion. Inverse proportion. Okay.
Okay, sir.
X and y are two values. Are two values. Such that x y is equal to k, where k is constant, where k is constant. X and y are in direct proportion. It means x and y are in direct proportion. Inverse proportion. If x by y is equal to k, that are in direct proportion. If xy is equal to k, it means x and y are in inverse proportion. Inverse proportion. So x and y are in
The value can.
inverse proportion. Inverse proportion.
Sir,
Yes.
the value can. X and Y are two values.
Such that
तो समझ ही नहीं आ रहा।
क्या समझ नहीं आ रहा? आवाज समझ नहीं आ रही?
यार ये सच स्प्रेड नहीं निकला, स्पेलिंग सही नहीं है सर, मैं स्पेलिंग सही, राइटिंग सही नहीं सर।
Okay. Question number 2. Number of winners. Number of winners. Prize for each winner. For each yes. For one prize, number of winners get the prize of 1 lakh rupees. Okay. If number of winners 2, prize values decrease 50,000 each. 50,000 each. Okay. If number of winners 4, what is the prize value? Number of winners 5, what is the prize value? Number of winners 6, what is the prize value? And number of winners 4, 5, 8, 10, 20. 4, 5, 8, 10, 20. 10 and 20. If number of prize Yes. If number of winners to number of prize for each winners 50,000. If number of winner increase to 4, then number of prize values, then prize value for each winners. After that, for 5, 8, 10, 20. Now you have to find out the price values. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You are observing here that
Yes, sir.
if number of winners are increasing, then price for each winner is decreasing. If number
Yes,
of
sir.
winners increasing, then price value decreasing for each winners. It means it is direct proportion or inverse proportion.
Inverse
Inverse proportion. Very good.
proportion.
Inverse
Inverse
proportion.
proportion.
It is inverse proportion. Inverse proportion. Now we will consider it x. We have to find out the value of x, y, z, w, and d. We have to find out. Okay. Now, if 1 by 1 lakh and 4 by x are inverse proportion, in direct proportion they are divided, but in inverse proportion they are multiplied. They are multiplied. 1 into 1 lakh is equal to 4 into x, because we have to find out the value of x. Ain't out any problems?
No, sir.
हमने इसमें डिवाइड क्यों नहीं किया इसको? हमने इसको 1 by 1 lakh और 4 by x क्यों नहीं किया? इसे मल्टीप्लाई क्यों किया हमने इसे? Now 1 into 1 lakh divided by 4. So value of x. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Okay. 4 5s are 20. 20,000. Value of x. Value of 25,000. 25,000. Price for each winner if number of winners are 4, 25,000. 25,000. Now, if a number of winners becomes 5, price for each winner will be. We have to find out the value of y. Okay. See, that is
20,000.
okay. Yes, 1 into 1 lakh and 5 into y.
Yes, sir.
We have to find out the value of y. 1 into 1 lakh divided by 5.
5.
Y 20,000. The value of y is 20,000. The value of y is 20,000.
20,000.
Okay. Ain't out any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Rahman is making a wheel using spokes He wants to fix equal spokes in such a way that the angle between any pair of consecutive spokes are equal. Help him by completing the following table. Number of spokes for angle between a pair of consecutive spokes 90 degree. If a number of spokes are increasing, angles between the consecutive spokes decreasing. Number of spokes. Question number 3. Number of spokes. Angle between a pair of consecutive spokes. Consecutive.
Sir, what you have written after the result?
Yes.
Sir, after angle, what you have written?
Angle between a pair of consecutive spokes. 490. Okay. 660. If number of spokes 8, angle will decrease. If number of spokes increasing 10, angle is also decreasing. If number of spokes increasing to 12, then the angle between spokes decreasing. Okay. It is the example of direct proportion and inverse proportion.
Inverse proportion.
Same as question number 2. We have to find out the value of x, y and z. X, y and z. Okay. We have to find out the value of x, y and z. X, y and z. Example of inverse proportion. Inverse proportion. If number of spokes for angle between a pair of consecutive spokes 90, 4 into 90. If number of spokes increase to 8, then angle between a pair of consecutive spokes we have to find out. 8 into x. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
4 into 90 divided by 8. That is x. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. 245. So value of x 45 degree. Angle becomes 45 degree. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Can you do the remaining two parts if number of spokes increase 10 and 12?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Doing homework. Question number 4. If a box of sweets is divided among 24 children, if a box of sweets, एक क्या है, स्वीट बॉक्स है, number of sweets are 24. Now, sweets distributed in 24 children. They will get 5 sweets each. हर बच्चे को 5 sweets मिलती है. Okay. How many would each get if the number of children it is reduced to 4? अगर number of children को हम क्या कर देते हैं, in comparison of 5 we will reduce to 4. 5 के जगह 4 हो जाते हैं, तो number of sweets will increase or decrease?
Sir, decrease.
Trees.
भाई पहले क्या है, पहले एक बच्चे को क्या है 5 स्वीट्स मिल रही है, ठीक है. अब क्या करेंगे, पहले एक बच्चे को 5 स्वीट्स मिल रही है, अब हमने बच्चे को रिड्यूस कर दिया, मतलब 24 से 20 कर दिया, तो बच्चे क्या है कम हो रहे हैं, तो नंबर ऑफ स्वीट्स विल इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज?
Sir, increase.
Increase. If students are decreasing, number of sweets will increase. It is in
Yes,
indirect
sir.
proportion. It is in indirect proportion. Okay. Yes. Number of children, number of sweets. Number of children. Number of children, number of sweets, number of sweets. If number of children are 24, number of sweets is obtained by 5. Number of sweets कितनी है 5 है. Number of children 24, ठीक ना. Then they get 5 sweets each. Number of sweets obtained by each student. Number of sweets received by each student. Each student. 5. एक स्टूडेंट को 5 स्वीट्स मिल रही है. अगर नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन 24 है, तो नंबर ऑफ स्वीट रिसीव्ड बाय ईच स्टूडेंट
Sir, 5.
each children, each child, each child, each child. Each child 5. If number of children reduced to 4, 24 minus 4 is equal to 20. Then number of sweets will increase or decrease?
The decrease.
Increase. So number of children and number of sweets received by each child are in inverse proportion. Inverse proportion. Inverse proportion. Okay. So 24 into 5, 24 into 5, 20 into x. Okay. 24 into 5 divided by 20 is equal to x. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 4 1s are 4, 4 6s are 24. So each child will get 6 sweets. 6 is equal to x. So each child will get 6 sweets. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes. A contractor estimate that 3 person would rewire जमींदार house in 4 days. 3 person rewire मानी तार लगाना. जमींदार house in a 4 days. If he uses 4 person instead of 3 की जगह 4 person को यूज कर रहा है तो number of days will require less. How long should they take to complete the job? ठीक है, if number of person will increase, number of days will reduce. It is in that proportion. Question number 6. Okay. Number of person, number of days. Number of person, number of days. Number of person, 3 person, 4 days work finish. 4 person, number of days required to finish the work. In that proportion. In that proportion. In that proportion. 3 into 4. 3 into 4. 4 into x. Okay. 3 into 4 divided by 4 is equal to x. 4 1 जा 4, 4 1 जा 4. X is equal to 3. So number of days required 3 days. Number of days required to complete the job. Number of days required to complete the job. To complete the job. To complete the job. 3 days. 3 days. Okay.